A very good evening to all my viewers. Here people, time for some weekend rock and roll. Let's get started with mini pizza. Yes, you heard that right. Pizza, as we all know, is a staple and important food for the Italians. It's got so many types with so many different toppings. Oh, I love them all. Well, pizza being everybody's favorite, in today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to prepare mini pizzas. They are perfect appetizers for party. Well, for beginners, apart from two sliced buns, you will need variety of vegetables for mini pizza. As for me, I have selected few vegetables of my choice, which are all finely chopped. Here we have onion, capsicum, beans, cauliflower, tomatoes, garlic, and green chilies. For additional flavors, I have used tomato sauce, Schezwan sauce, oregano, and chilli flakes. To begin with, take 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and let it heat. You can then add garlic and saute it for a minute and a half. You can see a slight change in its color. Burnt garlic adds an aromatic flavor to the food. Now add onions and green chilies. Saute it for around 6 to 7 minutes on medium-high flame. Wait till the color changes to brown. Now start adding the vegetables. You got beans, capsicum, and cauliflower. Mix it well, add little salt and saute it for a few minutes. After the vegetables are half cooked, add tomatoes to it and stir it well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric as well. Now cover the lid and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes on medium-high flame again. You can now remove the lid and stir it once again. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala with 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and 2 teaspoons of Schezwan sauce. And now you need to let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. As you can see, the mixture is now ready. Remove the pan from the stove and let it cool for some time. In the meantime, get your sliced buns and apply butter to it. Well, if you don't have buns, bread is the best alternative. You can now put it in the pan and slightly toast it from both the sides. Now add the mixture onto it. Now grate the cheese. And cover it with the lid for 2 minutes on low flame. Fabulous! Your dish is now ready. Well, you don't need any dips with it as the mixture we prepared is already semi-solid. Garnish it with oregano and chilli flakes. That's all for today. I hope you like my recipe. Try it out and let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Press the bell icon for recent updates. Thank you and have a good day.